Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, we can navigate either to settings and go through storage, or find the files application, which I'm struggling with actually locating it somewhere on here. I know it's installed, but it looks like it's just hidden for some reason, making it a bit annoying. So let's see if we can. This doesn't allow me to search, so yeah, so basically we are stuck with finding on the home screen only the crappy files from Google, which we don't care because it actually is limited. So in any case, let's, I guess, navigate through settings because that's the only option we actually have. Here we go, settings. I'm gonna navigate down to storage, right over here. And then I'm gonna tap on the drop down right here, select disk or whatever it says for you, the second option. And then we're gonna scroll down again and select where it says files. And this actually allows us to open up the actual files that are good, not this garbage from Google. So we're gonna select just always because it's better. And here we can select the 3 dot right here. Come on, there we go. And we're gonna select storage settings, which gives us the option to format it. Click on it, select format SD card. This will begin formatting it. It only takes a couple of seconds to finish up. Once it's completed, the card is ready to be used again. There we go. So let's click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.